This evening I am at the International Builder Show in Orlando, and behind me is the bungalow built by Cavco. What we've got here is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom that's 399 square feet. It has a rooftop deck and a couple other surprises we're going to uncover along the way, including but not limited to a loft. Yes, you heard that right. Now, as you can see, we have fully lost daylight, but we're going to make the best of it because, as they say, that's showbiz, baby. Let's do it. You know, I make a point of not shooting videos at night, but honestly, this kind of looks cool, so we're gonna go with it. At the front of the home, as you can see, they've got the covered porch with the built-in pot lights here. We're gonna get up there in a second. And above that, we've got the rooftop deck. Someone's chilling up there. They got the stairs going up the side and one of 2 entrances, wait, possibly 3 on the side of the home, like this rock work right here. Let's keep going around the side. They've got it lit up enough that I think I can continue with the outside portion of this tour. So no, would you look at that? They've got a 3rd exterior door on the back of the home. I didn't even know this existed. They have got a porch off the back of the home that is covered as well. So if you're looking to sit outside, decisions will have to be made because there's 3 options, not including the little landing section on the entrance. If you want to include that, it would make 4. This is the least lit side of the home, so we'll see what this looks like. But this window here, I believe that is into the bedroom. This is either into the loft or the living room, and we're gonna scoot down this side where the lights are a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna pan up and get a look at the rooftop deck. I think that's gonna be my second stop after the covered section. So look at this. Look at how nice this looks. Let's just drink that in for a second. How about it? They've got the double door entering into the front, which I like. And so those who are looking to avoid sun, rain, or any other elements you might be up against, the covered section is where it's at. But if you want a little more exposure to the sun, or you want to do some star watching, you're going to take these side stairs up to the roof where they've got the rooftop deck. You can see here they've got a metal roof on this puppy like that. And as I pan around, look at the size of this. Guy over there enjoying the evening. Hey, how are ya? He's loving it, and I love that. I'm gonna head back down, leave him to it, and we will head inside. So, trying to navigate the stairs, and my brain shut off. Sorry about the pause in narration. Doing my best out here. Heading in the front of the home, that is one of, again, 3 entrances. We land directly in the living space. The way they've got it set up, they've got a little love seat right here and dining table under what appears to be a massive TV. Bit of an entertainment center style wall right here, and the only reason, or the only thing that makes it that, is it's kind of a different paint color and it's set out a little bit. But yeah, it looks cool. Going down this way, we will arrive in the kitchen. They've got a peninsula coming out here, so another spot for 2 more people to eat. If you're a family of 4, everyone's covered, and that is without TV trays. If you implement that, you're looking at 6 quite easily, actually. Coming around, we'll get a look at what they have got going on here. So 2 of 3 doors will enter directly into the kitchen, and they've got the sink in the peninsula. They've got the standard storage down below. Gas cooked up on this one. How about that? And then, I don't know why I opened that. Never do that. Not sure why. It's just not something I usually do. Very cool backsplash here. Look at that. Really big fan of that look right there. They've got a perfect cabinet for your plates right there. Another one for cups. They've got the standard over top of the microwave, and if we look way up, couple windows. So I was wrong. I said that these windows were into the living room or possibly the loft. Incorrect. They are directly into the kitchen. They've got the Bosch 800 series dishwasher right here. Let's take a peek. There you go. How about that? Good stuff. They've got the coffee maker on the counter, and then we have got the fridge right here, and that's kind of a dark metallic, which I like the look of. Coming over here, this is probably where I would have put the coffee machine, because this is a little bit of a coffee bar right here. They've got a bank of 3 drawers. Sorry, make that 4, and 1 cabinet, and then double door up above. From there, we could go one of 3 ways, and I'm going to go to the first door on the left, which is the bathroom. They've got the banjo countertop here, and below they've got the door for storage on the vanity. Up above is a mirror. They've got more storage above the toilet, and as I come around this way, we will see the walk-in shower. Now, next, I think it only makes sense that we go up and have a quick peek into the loft. Oh, another surprise for us that I was not expecting. Beanbag chairs, meaning that you could set this up in a couple different ways. I never really anticipated seeing it set up as a place to hang out over there and the bed over there, but they're just kind of illustrating the opportunities for us for this space. You could put another bed there and have room for, I don't know, 3 or 4 people up there if you wanted to. The final space in the house is this one right here, and that of course is the bedroom. Again, I mentioned it already. They have got the sliding glass door off the back of the home to its own private porch back there, which I like. And pan around, they've got the wall-mounted TV there and a walk-in closet. Both of those lights are for there. Okay, this is actually comes on automatically as I walk in, so that's cool. Built in there, 2 rows of places to hang clothes, and it does fully close to separate it from the rest of the room if you don't want to look at your clothes. I don't know where I was going with that. All right, let's take one last look. So the kitchen ceiling height is the highest, and of course over top of the living room, that's where the rooftop deck is. That's why that drops down a little bit. But all in all, a very cool space. This is the Bungalow. I like it. There you have it, folks. The Bungalow built by Cavco. It's 399 square feet, in which they've got 1 bedroom, they've got 1 bathroom, they've got the loft, and up above, they've also got the rooftop deck. How does it get better than that? I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me on day 1 of the home show. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next.